Move over, coding boot camps. There's a new programmer in town, and it doesn't need coffee breaks or Stack Overflow. AutoGenLib, a revolutionary Python library, is promising to be the only library you'll need ever by automatically generating code on the fly using OpenAI's API. When you try to import a module or function that doesn't exist, AutoGenLib creates it for you based on a high-level description of what you need, essentially turning your vague ideas into working code faster than you can say syntax error. This digital coding assistant comes packed with features including dynamic code generation, context awareness, and progressive enhancement of existing modules. Unlike your human colleagues, AutoGenLib analyzes your entire codebase for better consistency and even studies the code that's importing the module to understand exactly what you're trying to accomplish. It also handles exceptions by sending them to the LLM for clear explanations and fixes, which is basically like having a senior developer on call 24/7, except this one doesn't sigh audibly when you ask basic questions. The workflow is beautifully simple. Initialize with a description, import what you need, and AutoGenLib handles the rest by checking if the module exists, generating appropriate code via OpenAI's API if needed, validating it, and making it available for use. Of course, there are some limitations. It requires an internet connection, depends on OpenAI API availability, and like any AI assistant, the quality of code depends on how clearly you describe what you want. So while it's not recommended for mission-critical production code without review, it might just be perfect for those side projects you keep meaning to finish, but never do. Remember, programmers, you're not being replaced. You're just being promoted to prompt engineer.